Good morning students, welcome to e-learning session, right? So now today in maths we will start with our new chapter number 6, time. So now today we will learn how to watch the clock. This is our clock. Here there are 3 hands, right? The smaller hand is hour hand, the bigger hand is minute hand and the third hand is second hand, right? First of all we will learn how to write numbers in the clock. See now here I have put one dot in the middle of the circle. I have on the top I have written 12. Bottom I have written 6. Then on the left side I have written number 9 and on the right side I have written number 3. Then between 12 and 3 I have written 1 and 2. Between 3 and 6 I have written 4 and 5. Between 6 and 9 I have written 7 and 8. And between 9 and 12 I have written 10 and 11. Right? So now first of all we will see the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 8. Right? So here what is the time? 8 o'clock, right? So now first we will draw hour hand. Hour hand will be smaller, so it will come on 8, right? Then minute hand is on 12. It will be bigger, right? So this is 8 o'clock. How we will write 8 o'clock? Then 8 0 0, or you can also write in words like 8 or clock. Okay. Then next, see here the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 3, right? So this is 8:15. How it is 8:15? Here it is 12. Between 12 and 1 there are 5 minutes. So 5, 10 and 15 minutes. So when the minute hand moves to 3, from 12 to 3, 15 minutes had already passed. So now what we will draw over here is we will remove the minute hand, and where we will draw the minute hand, we will draw on the 3, right? So it is 8:50. So now here when the minute hand is on 3, we will write 8:50 or quarter past 8, right? How it is quarter past 8? Because quarter, this portion is known as quarter, this is known as another quarter. So quarter past 8 बजने के बाद इतना क्वार्टर चला गया, इसीलिए इसको क्वार्टर पास्ट 8 बोलते हैं. Minute hand is on 6, when hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 6. Now when the hour hand moves from 12 to 6, it passes 30 minutes, right? The 30 minutes are already gone. So now how we will write? You will write that we will first of all remove this hand and we will draw minute hand on 6. The minute hand is always longer. So we will write 8:30, right? Or you can also write half past 8. Okay, this is half past 8 or 8:30. Then next, if the minute hand is on 9. See, first we have seen that when minute hand is on 12, then we had seen when it is on 3 and then on 6. Now the minute hand is on 9. So already 45 minutes had passed and the minute hand is on 9 and the hour hand is on 8. So now we will see the minute hand will move from 6 to 9. So now how बिकॉज 9 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है, राइट? दिस पोर्शन इज नोन एज क्वार्टर, सो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट क्वार्टर टू 9. Okay, so now we will further learn this chapter with another animation video. So now let us start with an animation video, right? Chapter number 6, time. Points to remember, right? Time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute कब होती है? जब 60 seconds complete हो, right? Then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour में 60 minutes होती है. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. मतलब एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं? 24. मतलब जब 24 hours complete हो जाते हैं तो एक दिन होता है. 7 days is equal to 1 week. एक वीक में 7 days होते हैं, राइट? संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. 7 days हुए ना, तो वो एक वीक हुआ. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. ये जैसे संडे मंडे एक वीक हुआ, वैसे 4 वीक हो तब वो एक महीना मतलब 1 month होता है. 12 months is equal to 1 year, right? मतलब एक ईयर कंप्लीट कब होता है? जब 12 months साथ हो, राइट? मतलब जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. ये 12 महीने हैं, वो जब कंप्लीट हो जाए तो 1 ईयर होता है. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Yes, ये जैसे ऊपर 12 months है, वैसे 12 months में कितने दिन होते हैं? तो 365. 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. मतलब जो 365 days है वो 1 year है, पर 1 leap year वो कब आता है? हर 4 साल के बाद. एवरी 4 years के बाद leap year आता है, और leap year में एक दिन ज्यादा होता है, मतलब 366 days होते हैं. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. जब 10 years कंप्लीट होते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? 1 decade. 100 years is equal to 1 century. मतलब जब 100 years कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं ऐसे तो उसको 1 century बोलते हैं. 1000 years is equal to मिलियनम. जब ऐसे 100 years कंप्लीट हुए वैसे 1000 years कंप्लीट हो तो उसको 1 मिलियनम बोलते हैं. 15 minutes इज इक्वल टू क्वार्टर पास्ट. हमने वो क्लॉक देखी ना? हाँ, उसमें जब 15 मिनट मतलब मिनट का हैंड है वो 3 पर आता है, बड़ा हैंड जो है वो 3 पर आता है, तब उसको क्वार्टर पास्ट बोलते हैं. 45 minutes इज इक्वल टू क्वार्टर टू. मतलब 1 घंटा कम खत्म होने में अगर 15 मिनट बाकी हो तो उसको क्वार्टर टू बोलते हैं. Then Jubilee celebrations. Yeah, right. So now let's see Jubilee celebrations. 1 year is equal to anniversary. मतलब जब 1 year complete हो तो उसको anniversary बोलते हैं. जैसे फिर 25 years अगर complete हो तो उसको silver jubilee बोलते हैं. 50 years complete हो तो उसको golden jubilee. 60 years को क्या बोलते हैं? जब 60 years खत्म हो तो डायमंड जुबली. यस. देन 75 years कंप्लीट हो तो प्लेटिनम जुबली. और ऐसे अगर 100 years खत्म हो जाए, 100 years कंप्लीट हो जाए तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? 1 century. नाउ लेट अस सी ए क्लॉक. यस, सी व्हाट इज द टाइम? ये हमने देखा आगे. कितने बजे इसमें? मिनट वाला हैंड है वो 12 पर है और आवर वाला हैंड है वो 8 पर है, तो कितने बजे? 8 o'clock. यस, 8 o'clock. और उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 8 और 0 0. देन नेक्स्ट. यस, देखो मिनट का हैंड है वो 9 पर है और आवर का हैंड है वो 6 के थोड़ा पहले है ना, तो वो ये कितने बजे? क्वार्टर टू 6. यस, क्वार्टर टू 6 मतलब ये जो है वो यहाँ पर देखो 6 बजने में बाकी है ना 6 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है। हाँ, और उसको फिर देखो ये 5:30 मिनट का हैंड है वो 6 पर है और आवर का हैंड है वो 5 और 6 के बीच में है ना। यस, देखो 5:30 तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं 5:35 और फिर 3 और 0। देन नेक्स्ट क्या है? यस, मिनट का हैंड है वो 3 पर है तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं 6:15। यस, 6:15 मतलब 6:15 हुई है, राइट।
Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play. So she sings throughout the day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock. It's time for work, it's time for play. So she sings throughout the day.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word time? You must be thinking about a clock or a watch. A clock or watch tells us the time. Long ago, when clocks were not there, people used to tell the time with the help of the sun. When the sun shines in the sky, it is day. The time between the rising and the setting sun is daytime. When the sun rises in the east, it is morning. When the sun shines above our heads at 12 o'clock, it is noon or midday. The time after 12 o'clock, when the sun begins to go down, is afternoon. When the sun begins to set in the west, it is evening. The day ends with evening. When the sun has completely set and it gets darker, it is night. We go to school in the morning. We come back from school in the afternoon and have our lunch. In the evening, we play and study. At night, we go to bed. The day ends like this, and a new day begins from the next morning. To tell the correct time, we look at the clock or our watch. Let us learn to read the clock. The clock has 12 digits. These digits show the hours. There are 24 hours in a day and night. Day plus night makes 24 hours. An hour is divided into minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The short hand on the clock shows the hours and the long hand shows the minutes. 1 minute is further divided into seconds. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Let us try to read time. Can you see those small markings between the digits? Each marking is equivalent to 1 minute. When the long hand, that is the minute hand, moves from one digit to another, it completes 5 minutes. When we count in fives from digit 1 to digit 12, we get 60. So, the minute hand has to move across the entire face of the clock to complete 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. When the short hand, that is the hour hand, moves from one digit to the other, it completes 1 hour. For example, in this clock, the hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12. The time is 3 o'clock. We write 3. Now the minute hand has moved to digit 1. The time is 5 minutes past 3. We write 3:05. What is the time now? It is 10 minutes past 3. We write 3:10. Now it is 15 minutes past 3. We write 3:15. Have you noticed something? The hour hand has moved away slightly from digit 3. It is now between digit 3 and 4. Look at the hour hand when the time is 50 minutes past 3. We write 3:50. When the minute hand reaches digit 12, the hour hand is on digit 4 and the time is 4 o'clock. We write 4. So, this is how the clock tells us the time. Now I hope you will remember what we learned today. Recap. Let us recall the different times of the day. When the sun rises in the east, it is morning. At 12 o'clock, when the sun shines overhead, it is noon or midday. After 12 o'clock, it is afternoon. When the sun is setting, it is evening. When the sun has set and it becomes dark, it is night. Now, let us look at the clock. The face of the clock has 12 digits. These digits show us the hours. There are 24 hours in a day and night. Day plus night equals 24 hours. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. The short hand shows the hours and the long hand shows the minutes.
Thank you and bye bye. Take care.